Target Circle Credit Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how fast your Target purchases can start earning rewards. Most people get this card wrong by thinking it's just a basic store card, but the surprising truth is that it offers cash back on Target purchases, flexible redemption options, and early access to deals for loyal shoppers. You earn a high percentage of cash back on Target purchases, including groceries, apparel, and electronics, plus bonus points during special promotions. Your rewards can be redeemed for future purchases at Target, making it simple to save regularly. The card has no annual fee, which is great for casual shoppers. It also integrates with the Target Circle app, so you can track rewards, set up notifications, and receive personalized offers. The downside? Rewards are limited to Target stores and affiliated brands. If you shop mostly elsewhere, the benefits may not justify the card. Verdict: worth it for frequent Target shoppers who pay balances monthly. Leave it if you prefer general-purpose cards or rarely shop at Target.